in this video, I will be doing an update on my PC setup, my new PC setup, because as you can see, it was over here, but now it's over there. Like I said, the PC was over there, now it's over there. And the other things that I want to talk about in this video is the specs of the PC. And as you can see, this PC is huge, but the specs of this PC, I'll move this out. The specs of this PC is, right here we have a MSI GeForce RTX 4070 Super. And then of course we have over here we have a liquid cooled processor. This is a liquid cooled processor, which is pretty cool, and it also works good. And then we have two exhaust fans here, which I don't know why they aren't running. They should be running, but up here we have three more fans. We have a fan here, a fan there, and a fan there, and these are suck-in fans. And then I think this one back here, and I think this one back here, yeah, this is an exhaust fan. This right here is an exhaust fan. These two fans up here are blow fans, like they suck in air. And then this fan over here takes air out. That's why it's an exhaust fan. And so do these ones here. Those take air out. But these two fans up here, those blow air in. And as you can see, this graphics card, the graphics card fans under there aren't spinning either. It's probably because I'm not playing any games at the moment. But this here, as you can hear, that's tempered glass. This is tempered glass, which is kind of bad, because if you hit the tempered glass a little too hard, it's just not going to crack. It's going to explode into millions of tiny little squares. Well, not millions, maybe at least 100 little squares. It'd be better if it was normal glass, so if something like hit it, it would just crack and not explode from one impact. And then over here, I don't know if I can pick it up, but oh yeah, there it goes. These over here are T-Force, both 16 gigabytes. These are both 16 gigabyte RAM cards, and the company who makes them, or the brand, is T-Force. And like I said, these are two 16 gigabyte graphic card. I mean, not graphic. These are two 16 gigabyte cards, RAM cards, and they make 32 gigabytes total of RAM. I have a total of 32 gigabytes of RAM with those two 16 gigabyte graphics. Or I'm not. Why am I keep on saying graphics? I mean RAM cards. And once again, this is a liquid cooled CPU. And now the power supply, I'll show you that in a moment. Okay, the power supply is going to be right back here, and now I'll open this up for you guys to see. Okay, I got it open, and now the power supply on here is this right here. That's the power supply right here, and the power supply is a total of 1000 watts. And once again, the two exhaust fans here, and then this back here is the CPU pins right there. Those are the CPU pins. And then this feels kind of warm. It's probably because I'm downloading stuff. right now. As you can see right here, I'm downloading some things. So that's going to be about it on this video. Oh, and by the way, the processor in here is a i7, well, a Ryzen 7. The processor in this computer is a Ryzen 7 liquid-cooled 8700 processor. And then this over here, and that over there is my old PC with the 600 watt power supply. And then up here we have, oops, sorry about that light, let me block that. And then up here we have right here we have two USB 3.0 plugins right here. USB 3.0 plugins here. USB 3.0, USB 0.30. And once again, this is tempered glass. Oh, and my monitor just went into standby. What a PC did. But still should be downloading. So now, I'm going to put the cover back on this because there's not much to explain in this back except for this stuff down here. There's a lot of extra plugs for extra GPUs and other things to add into the PC. Because as you can see, this PC case is quite empty. So, let me put the cover back on this. 1000 watt power supply, like I said. So let me put the cover back on this. See you guys in a bit. Okay, I got the cover on. Now, there's not much more to talk about on this PC. And I'm not going to say the price of it because it was way too expensive. Because it's liquid cooled. And then there's just extra vents up here. I think you can add an extra fan right here. Because of this empty space here. I don't know though. Hold on, I'm going to take a quick peek. Yeah, you can add an extra fan up here. You can attach another RGB fan up there if you want to have extra cooling. So that's going to be about it on what's in my PC. Because it has a Ryzen 7 processor, 8700. And it has a MSI GeForce RTX 4070 Super 12GB graphics card. And 32GB of RAM, 2TB SSD. And now, that's going to be the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Hope you guys enjoys this. Bye.